Hello guys, my name is Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can use your Microsoft account to compose an email and send to a friend or a family member. So to start, click on any browser of your choice on your computer. Here I will choose Chrome, it's my web browser. Then I log into my Microsoft accounts. Then I enter my email and password. Then I sign into my Microsoft web portal. Now I've been able to sign into my Microsoft web portal. So to send or compose a message, on the top right corner, click on accounts. Then I click on my Microsoft accounts. This will pop up my Microsoft web portal dashboard. So on the left right corner, click on apps or all apps, and I choose Outlook. That's Microsoft Outlook, used to send or compose a message is sent to a friend or a family member. Outlook is logging in. There's my Outlook web portal. Here I can send any message that I want to send. Or and alternatively, you can open another tab or another web browser. Then you log into Outlook website. Then sign in with your Microsoft accounts and password to have access to your Outlook web portal to be able to send message to a friend. Now I can access my web portal to send any message. I click on new message on my left, right, and after that I enter the email that I want to send the message to. Entering the email that I want to send the message. Entering the recipient email, you then enter the message that you want to send to that particular person. This is the message. Here I can format the message by selecting the message. Selecting the message, then I click on bold. If I want to italize, I click on italize. If I want to underline, I underline. If I want to change the font size and change it under the message tab, if I can format the text color, I can choose. Or if I want to attach a file or a document to the message, I click on attach file. Then it will prompt me to select my destination file. After selecting it, I click on open. This will attach the file or document to the email that I want to send. After that, I can click on send. send the email to the recipient or a family member. You can enter the message subject. After entering the subject, you click on send. Then you send the message to access if the message that you send can go to sent inbox. You find that you have sent the message. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.